Thanks, Toni here at the Color Room. Today we're going to learn the difference between a curl, a wave, and a crimp. So first we're going to do our crimp. So you basically want to take an inch long section, also about an inch wide, same width as your iron that you're using. And you want to do back and forth motions. To get a nice, believable, relaxed crimp. Bigger waves, with a bigger iron. You're going to take a bigger section, same size as your iron, same thickness. You're going to direct before your section. Start mid-shaft and stop before you get over that section that you took. Notice that I started in the middle. Leave your tail hang out about a half an inch to an inch, however much you want. It just gives it a straighter look on the ends so you don't get such a bad tight curl. Now for an actual curl, again, take a section, same width as the iron that you're using. So you would have those two sections. Again, stopping before your section. I left about 3/4 of an inch out. That gave me a curl. Believable wave, loose curl, tight curl. Notice the difference in the curls as they fall after you're going to play with them. Which kind of curl are you?
Thanks for watching.